John's, our webpage there. Okay. Now, Libby, I'm sorry, we left off and you had just multiplied negative 5m by 2m squared. You got negative 10m cubed. What do I do next?
Negative 5m by 4m, which gives you 20m, or negative 20m cubed.
Negative 20m
Squared, actually.
squared. Okay. All right. Now, coolest. What do I do after that? Okay, I'm going to combine this one, 4m cubed, with negative 10m cubed, and what's that give me? Negative 6m cubed. All right, those are done. What do I do with 2m to the 4th? Just bring it down. And how about negative 20m squared? Bring it down too. Okay, and there's nothing left for us to combine.
It's in the right order.
It's in the right order. Exactly, Ryan, thank you. This first one is a degree 4, and then a degree 3, and then a degree 2. This polynomial is actually called a quartic. If we graph it, it's positive. It's going to look something like this. Okay? It's going to go up on both ends, but this stuff in the middle is going to determine what happens here. Okay? All right, but we don't need to worry about that now.
Why would there be an M?
Good job, guys. Let's look at this next one. All right. Now, boy, let me ask you a question, boy. 3 times 7 times 2. Do I multiply all three numbers at one time, or do I multiply two numbers and then multiply that by the third number? Okay, now let me ask you this. Do I have to multiply 3 by 7 first? Or could I multiply 3 by 2 first? Does it matter? It doesn't. I'm still going to get the same answer regardless of what order I put this in. What do we call that? What's that property? The commutative property of multiplication. Exactly. When I'm multiplying everything, I can do them in any order. Okay? Let me ask you this. Cameron, you get to pick. Which of these, how many things up there are we multiplying? 3. I've got this times this times this. Which two would you like to multiply first? You want to multiply the first two. All right, so n times n gives me what, Cameron? N squared. And then n times negative 3? Negative 3n. All right, so now I've got that times 2n plus 1. Okay? Now, where do I go from there? Ellie?
You do n squared times 2n.
N squared times 2n, and what does that give me?
2n cubed.
2n cubed. And then what?
Then you do n squared times 1.
And that gives me what?
So plus n squared.
N squared. Good. Millet, take the next one.
Alright. Negative 3n times 2n.
And what's that give me?
Negative 6n squared.
Negative 6n squared. Good. And then the last one?
Negative 3n.
Negative 3n. Okay. Harrison, what do I need to do from there?
Put like terms together.
Put like terms together. So I've got plus n squared and minus 6n squared. And what's that give me?
Negative 5n squared.
Negative 5n squared. What do I do with these two things on the end? Drop them down. 2n cubed minus 3n. Simple enough? All right. Nice. Let me see if I have another one here. I think I might have one more, but I'm not sure. Let's see if I can get there. Oh, we need to solve it. We definitely need to do this. Okay? So, if I'm going to solve, what do I need to do, Lawrence? I need to simplify before I solve. Okay? Can you help me simplify this left side?
Yeah.
All right. So, x times x equals what?
X squared
X squared. X times 9
plus 9x
plus 9x.
minus
Negative.
4x
Yep, minus 4x
minus 36
minus 36 is equal to
x squared
x squared
minus 3x
minus 3x
plus 5x
plus 5x. We're going faster than the computer, Lauren. What do we get? Minus 15. Now what do I do? Grayson?
You add like terms.
Add like terms. So I get x squared. 9x and minus 4x is what?
5x.
That's plus 5x minus 36. What do I need to add on that side?
You add the x's.
Negative 3x and positive 5x is what?
2x.
Plus 2x minus 15.
It's just graph.
I'm close. Let me pause.